Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I don't know if this is my first time ever reviewing somebody's food. I may have, but anywho, this is for lunch. This is something that I'm cooking, before dinner. And this is what I picked up from my store. It's ready in 5 minutes, and it's Kevin Nature Natural Food. Shoreline, where you see it on the package. And if you can just read it, it's really, really easy because the meat is already pre-cooked. But this is the back of it. Okay, and they'll tell you how to cook it. Okay, so what I did, I already drained my meat, my chicken. I've been having this, I forgot I had brought this. But anywho, so this is the oil that I'm using, you guys. I love this oil. This oil right here. It's very healthy for you as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan, heat it up, and spray my oil, and it go real quick. So if you want to, just buy this meat. Just buy this, and it have the instruction on the back, okay? It just only got the chicken. It's only 2 packages, the season and the chicken, okay? So let me go ahead and heat up my pan. And also, you guys, I'm gonna cook this with some rice. You don't have to. You could just eat it like this, and I guess they just only got this, the little extra cilantro and lime on the side, okay? Okay, you guys, so turn on my heat, got my oil, and you want to let your pan get hot before you saute, because it's only take 1 or 2 minutes to saute the chicken, because you don't want to overcook it, because it's already cooked. So now I'm going to add my chicken to my pan. Let it hot. Okay, you guys. I got the chicken. This is a big chunk of chicken. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, you guys. They don't require no garlic, but I love garlic, so I'm just going to throw some in. I love garlic. I guarantee. Also, this is something I always do anyway. When I buy pre-cooked stuff like this, I always add a little bit of stuff, and I'm a handful of chopped onion. That's just me. But you know how you buy pre-cooked stuff and you have to add stuff, little seasoning stuff. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And also, guys, you guys don't really have to do this. This is something I like to add to it. So if you want to add what I add and stuff, be more happy. Add some peppers. Also, you guys, I cooked me some rice on the side. Yes. It's a steamed white rice. Okay. Okay, just remember, you guys, it's still gonna taste the same. It just might. I didn't add no seasoning. Okay, so just remember, I'm not messing this up. I just add some little onions and peppers, okay? Now I'm going to add a packet of sauce, you guys. When you add, you have to turn your heat on low. Okay, that's the sauce. All right. Okay, you guys, so now I add the sauce. Just stir it up. We'll see how this tastes. Try it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to serve it in the same dish that it came with. First, I'm going to put my rice at the bottom. It's my rice. Okay, so it's ready. There we go. That's how I look, you guys. I don't know. I think they must got lighting put too much color in there. But this is dinner. I mean, oh, this is lunch. So that's what it's called. Let's look at. And I did add a little cilantro with it. And I do have some lime juice, but I don't know. I might squirt some on there. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on. And you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Okay. So, missed to take the first bite. Let's do a little review on this chicken and see how it tastes. I'm not gonna get no rice, but okay, here I go. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. See how it look. So you guys get that first bite. I don't mind. Hope I ain't got it too close. Now. Oh wow. Guys, you could taste this. Cilantro. Oh wow. I might take some of that off. But you could really taste that on the chicken. Wow. Got that flavor to it. Let's see. I can't taste no lime. I'll taste a little bit. You guys want another bite? Got it? Oh yeah. I taste the lime this time. It's pretty good, you guys. Pretty darn good. From 1 to 10, 10 is the highest. I would give this about a 9.5. Very, very good, I guarantee. Alrighty, so I just want to show you guys this review. Again, you won't be disappointed. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.